Hey, this is Dr. Tim St Onge from Thrive Chiropractic in Branson, Missouri. I'm actually at my home today. I'm going to be adjusting my wife, Dr. Jenny. She's been having some knee trouble lately, and she's finally talking me into doing something about it. The shoe cobbler's kids never have shoes, right? So, Jenny, tell us what's going on.
So I have some pain. It's kind of around my knee and under my knee. I'm a runner and I feel it only when I'm running down a hill and then when I come down the stairs. So if I'm running on a flat surface or I'm running on a soft, like a trail, I have no problems, but it's just that coming down the stairs or if I do a squat. A deep
squat makes it hurt too.
Yeah, when I get past about 45 degrees and go down, I can really feel it. Just, I don't know. Something's going on.
Okay, why don't you stand up and do a squat and let's just see.
Okay. So,
all right, let's see
I'm
you squat.
good. And right here I start to feel it. And it's like right there. The worst is the right, but both feel it.
So go down again. Oh, I'm sorry, stop where it starts to hurt.
About right there.
Okay, so she's not even, that's about 30 degrees of, do it again?
Yeah.
More?
It's just like right there. I start
so
to feel it.
she's not much flexion at all. And then it's, yeah, okay. I normally have somebody video, but I'm at home, so I'm just kind of trying to make this work myself here.
Normally that's me video.
Yeah. So usually with knees, I have to look at, it's the right one, right?
Yeah, that's worse.
Usually with knees, I have to look at the hip and the low back, and of course the knee, sometimes the ankle as well. But usually, I'm pretty sure it's going to be coming from her hip. So let's see what's going on here. She's pretty tight through here, but that's not the problem. Yeah, so her right leg is short, so we know her pelvis is out of alignment for sure. Sacrum's out of alignment too, so we'll adjust that first. So play with this side up. Yeah. Now, it's all right. Turn that way again, on that side. So I think so there's, I don't know, two or three layers of muscle in the hip, in the back side of the hip, and the deeper layer controls rotation of the hip. And so if those are tight, the femur doesn't rotate properly, and when you're running, that can cause problems in the knee. So go ahead and bring your foot down.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that's really what's going on here. Do that again. When you're doing something like running, I guess lifting weights would be lifting heavy weights, squats and deadlifts. More squats than deadlifts though, I think.
And I've been upping my weight on squats.
Yeah, she's been lifting heavier too, that's probably.
Oh my gosh, ow.
And it's real interesting because she does a lot of yoga and stretchy type exercise. Which you wouldn't expect this to be an issue, but the thing is, some of these real small muscles, you can't get them by yourself sometimes. You really need somebody to do this kind of work.
It helps to be married to that someone.
You can talk them into it, right? Oops, sorry.
Whew.
That was the siding, right?
better.
Okay, lay on your back.
Wow.
So she said both of her knees were giving her trouble, but the right one was much more than the left. So we'll see if we can't make them both better. Okay, bring your leg down. Back up. Again. So again, I'm just treating the deep hip rotators. Okay. So her legs are even, and of course you can't see that, sorry. Her legs are even now. They both flex pretty equally here. A little better where internal rotation's better. Let's see. Okay, so if you'll notice, can you see? Yeah, you should be able to see. It's not doing it a lot, but as I bend her leg up like this, you can kind of see her hip kind of come up. That's because her rectus femoris is tight. So let's see. Lay on your side. So the rectus femoris is a long muscle, and it crosses both the hip and the knee joint, and so it can definitely be involved with knee pain.
Oh my. Yes, it can. Do you feel like it's tight?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, me too. And that has an effect on the patella, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that is what I'm feeling when I come down the stairs, I bet. I can feel that pulling, like, in the spot, like, when you get to the end range right there.
So this is all the length of the rectus femoris. So if rectus femoris is one rectus femoris, what would two rectus femoris be? Is it rectus femori or rectus femorises? Not sure. You're the grammar Nazi, you should know.
I don't have any idea. Oh man.
Is that better?
Yeah, I can still feel, like,
Yeah, I'm not done.
yeah,
Flip over.
for sure.
I don't think, oh yeah, it's pretty tight.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, you're gonna have to see my backside on this one.
I mind you.
You know what's crazy about this is if I didn't know what I know, I would think I had a joint problem. And I would think, oh, I need to just stop running, or, and if I bet if I went to any, like, standard doctor, medical doctor, they'd say, here's some anti-inflammatories and some muscle relaxers or something.
Probably.
And we'd never figure out why.
Don't roll.
Oh.
Yeah, it's more up here though. Oh yeah, it's right there.
Now, what can I do on my end? Other than, have you work on it?
Oh, you just keep doing what you're doing.
Because I'm doing a lot of stretching and rolling it. And
I'm not a big fan of rolling it. I know everybody else in the world is, but
oh my word.
that's better. Okay, we're gonna be back. And then usually with knee pain, especially in the area where she's got it, there's 4 quadricep muscles, which is the front side of the thigh, and when they contract, the knee extends like that. And the lateral one, or the one on the outside of the leg, is usually stronger. It's much bigger than the one on the inside of the leg or the thigh. So the vastus lateralis is on the outside, the vastus medialis obliquus is on the inside. And so usually what happens is that the vastus lateralis will overpower the vastus medialis, and sometimes the vastus medialis won't fire. And so what ends up happening is when your leg is in full extension, patella or the kneecap will track more lateral, or more to the outside, because it's being pulled on so much harder by the vastus lateralis. And then on top of that, you can get adhesions in the vastus lateralis, which tends to make that problem even worse.
Is that the chondromalacia patella tendency?
That's chondromalacia
when
patella, yeah.
If you're looking for a label for it.
Yeah.
I know, I've struggled with that before. Usually it's coming from my IT band, which, oh, wow.
Yeah, so see, she's got something right there.
Well, hang on this way.
Just try to relax too. Okay, let's get you up. Well, let's see if we did any good here.
Okay.
Let's see if she can squat. So when she's
Totally pain-free.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, of course. Totally pain-free.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So when we started, she had about 30 degrees. Bend down,
Wow.
go down a little bit.
I was getting about here.
That's about where she was getting to
I can
before
go.
the pain.
Yeah, no problem.
Now she can go all the way down. So
Wow.
the big question is, how long will it last, right? So when she goes and runs tomorrow, are we going to be right back where we started? Truth is, I can't answer that question. We just have to wait and see. Usually it takes anywhere from 4 to 8 series of treatments to clear something like that up. And then there's usually some homework to do as well, as far as either doing stretches or strengthening exercises. Nothing too involved, but just to strengthen up kind of the weak muscles that are causing that, and stretch out some of the tighter ones. So anyway, Dr. Tim St Onge, Thrive Chiropractic, Dr. Jenny from Thrive Chiropractic. Have a great night. Thank you.